Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Why do you study English?
Because I want to work in an international company.
Why is he always late to class?
Because he lives far away and takes the bus.
Why are they laughing?
Because someone told a funny joke.
Why do we need to learn grammar?
Because grammar helps us speak correctly.
Why are you tired today?
Because I didn't sleep well last night.
Why is the meeting important?
Because we'll discuss the new project plan.
Why did she cancel the trip?
Because she got sick.
Why is this book popular?
Because the story is exciting and easy to read.
Why do children ask so many questions?
Because they're curious and want to learn.
Why are you learning online instead of going to class?
Because online learning is more flexible for me.
When do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
When is your English class?
It's every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m.
When did you start learning English?
I started in high school.
When can we meet to practice speaking?
How about Saturday afternoon?
When do you do your homework?
I usually do it after dinner.
When will the test start?
It starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
When should I use the present perfect tense?
When talking about experiences or actions with no specific time.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm going next month.
When do people celebrate New Year in your country?
On January 1st.
When is the best time to visit London?
Spring and early summer are great times to visit.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
What do you do?
I'm a student and part-time tutor.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast.
What's your favorite English word?
I like the word possibility.
What are you reading?
A book about English idioms.
What time is it?
It's 3:45 p.m.
What does the word motivation mean?
It means the reason why you do something.
What can I do to speak more fluently?
Practice speaking every day and listen to native speakers.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax, watch movies, and sometimes go hiking.
What's the difference between say and tell?
Say is used for general speech, and tell is used when you speak to someone directly.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner, next to the supermarket.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the library to study.
Where did you buy that jacket?
I bought it online from Amazon.
Where were you born?
I was born in Tokyo, Japan.
Where do you usually study?
I usually study at the cafe near my house.
Where did she go last weekend?
She went to the mountains for a short trip.
Where should I put this book?
Put it on the shelf, please.
Where is your favorite place to relax?
My favorite place is the park near the river.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
How do you learn new vocabulary?
I use flashcards and write sentences with the new words.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
How often do you practice English?
I practice every day for at least 1 hour.
How did you learn to speak so fluently?
I watched English shows, listened to podcasts, and practiced with friends.
How much does this course cost?
It costs around $50 per month.
How can I improve my English writing?
Try journaling daily and getting feedback from a tutor.
How do you feel about taking the English test next week?
I feel nervous, but I'm preparing hard.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning for almost 3 years now.
How do you make time to study every day?
I schedule it in the morning before work starts.